Hey, welcome to a channel to help you sell your art online. When it comes to selling your art, there are a few different ways to go about it. In this video, we're going to discuss creating your own website to sell your art as opposed to uploading it to Redbubble. Now, there are pros and cons to both methods. With your own website, you have more control over the look, feel, and functionality of your shop, and you can customize it to match your branding. When I opened my online shop, I was not expecting the challenges that came with it. For one, I had to learn how to use a website builder and maintain the website myself. This meant having full control over the site, but also less traffic. In addition, there were shipping and handling costs to consider, as well as taxes and other regulatory requirements. Overall, it was a lot of hard work setting up and running my online shop, but it was worth it in the end because I had more control over my brand and the products that I offer through that site. And the traffic that I was driving to the site was more catered to the customers that I was looking to sell those items to. Now, creating an online shop can be a daunting task. You have to worry about hosting, security, payment, processing, and then there's the design of your actual store. So if you're not familiar with designing an actual online web shop, there are a lot of template-based shops that you can purchase for a monthly fee, and you can change out the look of your shop or customize it with other colors or logos or things that you want to add into your shop at different points in time when you're setting up the shop. Now with Redbubble, all of this is taken care of for you. You simply upload your designs and they handle the rest. So there's no customizing or doing anything other than just adding your logo. The site consistently looks the same for every shop other than your logo or your name of your shop, basically your username. If you want to have full control of your online shop and create a brand, you need to host your own website. This means less traffic, but it also gives you more freedom and a better chance to succeed. You can choose the design, the products, and the marketing approach. You're also in charge of customer service and can make all the decisions yourself. Hosting your own website can be more work, but it's definitely worth it if you want to create a successful business. You can also use a site like Printify to tie in with your own website. So that means that if somebody orders a product from your website, he goes to Printify and they fulfill the order for you. Basically, it's sort of like having Redbubble, but it's a different company and a different way of doing it. So Printify is a print-on-demand provider. So they have all these products and you can customize the look of the designs that you want to add onto the products and then add that into your shop. It actually has an integration for many e-commerce websites that you can just feed that product into your shop, and then if somebody goes to your website, they can click on it and the order is actually fulfilled through Printify. So they'll charge your credit card for each purchase made at a wholesale level, and you're responsible for the markup of what you want those products to be. So this is an easy way to start a print-on-demand business with Printify tied into your e-commerce shop. And there is a link in the description box below if you aren't a Printify user and want to try it out. It's free to try. You don't have to pay anything if you sign up for an account. You only pay for the items that you actually order through Printify, or if you upgrade your membership, then you get a better discount or better wholesale rates on the products that you do buy through them. So a free account through the link in the description box below if you want to try it out. It is possible to build a brand on Redbubble by sending social media traffic to your shop. If you're not familiar with Redbubble, it's a platform for artists to sell their creations online. Artists can create and sell t-shirts, phone cases, stickers, and more. Redbubble takes a commission on each sale. Redbubble has shut down the accounts of several artists without warning or explanation over the years. These artists had built their business on Redbubble and suddenly they had lost everything. So this is why it's always good to have another source, another platform where you can sell your designs, because you never know what's going to happen with a website like Redbubble. If something goes wrong, that you did something that you weren't aware that was not allowed in the terms and conditions, and your account is shut down, then you potentially lose all your business coming from Redbubble. But if you have your own website, you have more control of things like that, and you don't have to worry about shutting your own business down, basically. So that's why it's good to have a backup platform and to send traffic from your social media presence to you could send traffic to your Redbubble account if you'd like, but you can also direct traffic to your own website and have all the sales filtered through that site and build a brand awareness of that website so that potential customers find your site and then they keep coming back to buy more designs from your site because they're familiar with that site after they've gotten that first order. And you can also market to those customers in the future if you collect their emails and things along those lines. So that's why it's really good to have your own website. So they might be promoting in their emails other artists' work and you may lose sales to those other artists when they get those emails. So having your own branded email that you collected through your own website is always going to be better than having that alternative. So some of the artists that have lost their accounts with Redbubble or other print-on-demand platforms have taken the route of going to their own website and now selling their products through these sites that they've created instead of being tied into any particular platform. Others have simply given up on their dreams of owning their own business, but there are the opportunities to create your own websites, so you can have both. If you're new to print on demand and you want to have different traffic sources, then you could certainly have a Redbubble account and your own website. However, if your account is shut down without warning, you lose everything you've built up on the site. So that's something to keep in mind when you use a site like Redbubble or Society6 designed by humans, is that you can't control those factors. That's why it's a good idea to have online presence outside of Redbubble. If you have other sites or platforms that you promote through social media, you'll be able to continue to send traffic to where you're active. It all depends on how you want to grow your business. If you're happy to get sales here and there with little effort, Redbubble is a great way to sell your designs every so often with little effort. If you want to grow and be known for your art, having a social media presence is important. And if you're building enough of a following, you can set up a dedicated online shop with your own domain name. I've had equal success with both Redbubble and my own website. However, I much prefer the handoff approach of having Redbubble take care of all my sales and not having to deal with customer service. So that is one plus in the Redbubble platform, or platforms that are like Redbubble, is that you don't have to deal with customer service, and they take care of all the fulfillment and shipping for me. So that leaves me free to work on growing my brand or making new designs. So I like that aspect of having Redbubble as my dedicated platform sometimes for print on demand, and it has a larger customer base. This ensures that my products are seen by more people and ultimately leads to more sales. In conclusion, there are many things to consider when deciding if print on demand is the right choice for your business. It all depends on how much work you want to put in and how well your products are selling. If you're not seeing the sales you'd hope for, it might be time to consider your options. But if you're willing to put in the effort, print on demand can be a great way to get your designs off the ground. When you're starting your own online store, it's important to find the right platform to sell your products. Redbubble is a great option for artists and designers because it allows you to create prints and products from your designs and sell them through the site. You can also set up your own website to sell your products, and this can be a great option in addition to the consistent sales you might be getting through Redbubble. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. And if you give this video a like, it's always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.